How to post a video on Reddit? Open the Reddit application and log into your Reddit account. Once you're on the home screen of Reddit, tap on Create button at the bottom of the screen. Here you need to select the play button and select any video that you want to post on Reddit. Once you select the video, you can easily trim or adjust the video of your choice. Then tap on Next button at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can add the title and the body text. The body text is optional. Once you are done with that, tap on Next button at the top right corner of the screen. You have to search for a community here and select the community to post to. Here let's tap on Cancel. Now you have to tap on Add Tags and Flair and you can select Other option here and tap on Apply at the top right corner of the screen. Once you have done that, tap on Post at the top right corner of the screen. The post has been successfully submitted. So that's how we post a video on Reddit. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.